My people, na good afternoon, na good evening, na good morning and good night for some area. I hope una dey very fine. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Today video when I see, e shock me. E shocklize me well well. My name na Mommy J. Before I forget to tell una my name. The video when I see today, e shocklize me. I want to sleep. I no fit sleep. I say make I pass this message to everybody. Make everybody see as things dey go for this our country wey dey call Nigeria. Did you believe say that last year October wey dem do end EndSARS that last year? Did you believe say some people still dey for the sorrow, still dey for the pain of that EndSARS? That EndSARS wey dem do last year. You believe say one of the youths for Ondo State, innocent youth wey im mama send message wey dey go im own, you believe say they arrest am? You believe say this girl dey for inside cell since then? They say na dem go organize burn whether na station, whether na house, whatever. You believe say they take this girl go station? This girl dey for station since last year, still dey for there till she give birth inside cell. E shocklize you too. You surprised. You say na so me too say for this one nation wey we dey so, and we say we no want one nation again. Some people still dey say no, one nation good. They catch this girl for this EndSARS for last year October, I think 23 or 22 or whatever, 20. That last year, and this girl dey for there. Even im parents, dem no know say she don get belle. This girl don too keen. Nobody know say she too keen. Na one day, na somebody come call im mama say your pikin no dey alright inside cell where e dey. Even to say whether na the cash wey dem cash am, this that blah blah. Wey dem go there, dem come discover say this girl get belle. This girl still get belle. Dem no leave am. My people, this girl, I say she get belle. Dem detect say this girl get belle, but dem no still leave this girl. She no commit crime o. Na protest o. All these protesters wey dem do last year October for EndSARS, and she no even dey included of those people wey dem do that protest. She no dey there o. Her mom na send her message. According to her mom, I will place the video for una make una see. Make una see say nothing dey for this our government again wey dem dey call mercy. Dem no dey sympathize. This innocent girl dey for cell with belle. She give birth to baby for inside cell. They never still ready to leave am. They still dey drag am here and that, here and that. My people, if dem dey pray say akoba adaba Ọlọ́run má jàre, catch am o, na better prayer o. Because the prayer it seems to be funny. Wey you see more like they say akoba adaba Ọlọ́run má jàre, you look am like say na dance, na music, na fun. No, na big prayer o. According to her mom say she just send this girl message make e go meet her friend, make e collect money come for am, say because she no well, she wan buy drugs. The woman confirm am say when they dey make this EndSARS protest, im daughter dey for house with am. She no follow dem comot. Na she call am say come waka go my friend place, go help me collect money for her hand, make I take buy the drugs wey I go use. Before this pikin carry waka go on our way going, na she dey catch am. They say she dey included. She's included of those ones wey dem dey do the EndSARS for Ondo State. I say make I carry waka, make I come tell una. Make na see as these things, this life dey go. no forget say a lot of the youth dem die for there, and you go don think say na there hand put o. Some people dem still dey for cell dey suffer am. So tey EndSARS don born pikin put for cell. Na still our youth o, wey dem dey say na dem get tomorrow. How dis youth now go fit get confidence in all dis government or leaders, whatever? All dis government, all dis leaders, dem get pikin for house, dem get daughter, dem get son, but dem get mind keep a lady wey she get belle put her for cell since last year October, when it is very soon now, we dey for June ko. Before you know now, we enter 1 year dis girl dey for cell. She no commit suicide, crime o. I don't want to talk too much because I don't want this video make e no go come tell me say e no go fit upload. Make I just round up here. But wetin I just wan tell you be say if dem dey pray say God, wetin I no chop, wetin I no smell for my mouth, wetin I no know anything about, no let me serve the punishment. If dem dey pray the prayer, catch am say God, no let me serve punishment as I dey so wey I be innocent. Person wey don commit another sin, no be me go come serve the punishment for the person. If dem dey talk am, make you say dey follow dem dey talk am I say make I no serve another person punishment o. Make I no suffer for wetin I no do o. Dis girl dey for cell since October o. Dem come later detect say she get belle o. The family, according to the mama, she say she don sell all her property. She say her papa join her. Dem don collect a lawyer tire for EndSARS o. Dem no gree leave dis girl. Dem still see the girl say she get belle. Dem no feel for am. She no commit crime o. Dem still see this girl born pikin dey for cell. Dem no wan leave am. Dem still dey for the dragging. You go see hear am. I go drop the video. EndSARS baby. May God protect and guide every one of our youth and even we ourselves. May we not just put mind say somebody there for anywhere we won't help us. It's your prayer, your God. That is all. I want to shut this video down so that you can easily watch the video and hear the voice of the girl, see the baby for her hand, hear the voice of her mother and the voice of the rest people wey be say they don't try their best to make sure say this girl come outside. They no gree release her, and they say this time around when she just give birth today, she must come outside because they don't want her to spend 7 days where they name pikin name, make she dey for cell. The innocent girl. EndSARS. Hey, it is funny to me and I fear me. I dey cry when I dey watch the video because I look and say, I think deeply. I look and say, which kind of thing be this? It be like say I dey dream if I dey hear the story of Nigeria. It be like say I no dey understand. It be like say I no dey get am well. My people, may na dey pray for the country and just pray for your nation. Blessed are those who pray for nation and the leaders. We dey pray for them. I shot my video. Mona, please watch this thing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share the video. Also comment, like, and as well thumb up. And as you do, God bless you in Jesus' name. Thank you. Bye bye. I love you.
Akure.
Where in Akure?
Akure is a good government.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a sport girl.
You're a sport girl.
Yes.
Why do you sell this place a place?
I'm not done that said it.
You know the people, wait. You know the people that set it up, you don't know them.
Inú wa ò dùn rárá látìgbà tó ti wà ń bẹ̀. Mi lè àti ṣùgbọ́n mi kì í sùn báyìí. Mi kì í sùn. Èmi ni ìyá Kẹ́misọ́lá Ògúnníyì. Àwa gan àti ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó lóyún. Ìgbà tí wọ́n mú lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn ni wọ́n wá pè mí pé ṣé mo mọ̀ pé ọmọ mi wà ní condition báyìí báyìí. Mo wá ní condition irú èwo. Mo wá ní mi mọ̀ irú condition yẹn mà. Ìgbà yẹn ni wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá sọ fún mi pé ṣé mi mọ̀ pé ó lóyún. Mo wá ní mi mọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn la ṣe wá gbéra níbí, a ṣe wá lọ sí Oǹdó níbẹ̀ tá a wá rí. A ní ìjọsí ara mi ò yá, ó wá ní òun fẹ́ lọ bá mi gba owó wá láti ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ òun. Mo rí wá retí títí mi tètè rí, wọ́n wá sọ fún mi pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti gbé mo wá wádìí títí pé níbo ni wọ́n gbé lọ wọ́n wá ní wọn ò mọ bẹ̀ àwọn kan sáà ní kí mi wá lọ sí SIB pé bóyá ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n gbé lọ mo dẹ̀ wá débẹ̀ àwa rí níbẹ̀ àtìgbà yẹn náà ni a ti wà lórí wàhálà látọdún tó kọjá la ti wà lórí wàhálà 23 oṣù kẹwàá ọdún tó kọjá la ti wà nínú ẹ̀ a ti sáré lóríṣiríṣi gbogbo ọ̀nà àgbà lọ́ọ̀yà lóríṣiríṣi gbogbo ọ̀nà nǹkan tí dáàdì ẹ̀ ní ata lérí ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ kò sí kankan tí adẹ̀rí orí ẹ̀ náà la dẹ̀ wà látìgbà yẹn ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n fi kàn ọmọ mi ò jẹ̀bi ó fẹ́ lọ bá mi gba owó wá lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kí n fi ra oògùn tó rárá mi ò yá ó wá náà fẹ́ lọ bá mi gba owó wálé ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ òun ló jẹ́ kó kúrò nílé torí gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe nílé la wà.
éèjì yẹn àti ẹni tó ti lóyún before kan tán arrest ẹ̀ gbà yẹn kò likely kúrò èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ tẹ̀lé àwọn tó fẹ́ lọ jólé kó tẹ̀lé àwọn tó fẹ́ lọ bà nǹkan jẹ́ but bóyá bó ṣe rìn sí ibi tán ti make arrest ló jẹ́ kóun wà níbẹ̀ but a ti débi tá a wà ń sìn kí Kẹ́mi bá tiẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ ṣé ọmọ tó bí náà ṣẹ̀ ni so àmọ̀ràn mi ni wípé tí ìjọba bá fẹ́ padà kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kí wọ́n ní believe àti trust nínú wọn kí wọ́n padà support wọn wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ fi gbogbo àwọn tí ó wà ní àhámọ́ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ EndSARS kán fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ kán dẹ̀ drop charges against wọn.
bá a ṣe fáìlì kéèsì yẹn fún béèlì ẹ̀ pé kán gba béèlì ẹ̀ yẹn ordinarily ó yẹ ká sọ pé a fẹ́ dúró pé àkálẹ̀ dúró kóòtù àfidéètì sí gbogbo ẹ̀ ní procedure àwọn aráàlú ó lè má yé wọn even the chief judge state yìí bó ṣe wà nísìnyí báyìí agbára tó ní lórí mátà yẹn kì í ṣe pé ó fi bẹ́ẹ̀ pọ̀ lọ títí torí kéèsì ti wà ní iwájú adájọ́ ká ní pé wọn ò tí gbé fádájọ́ kankan ó lè fúnra ìsọpọ̀ wọn fẹ́ gbọ́gán kéèsì wà ní kóòtù tó jẹ́ pé adájọ́ míì ló dẹ̀ ń síìtì ní kóòtù yẹn kóòtù tí CJ fúnra ti síìtì ọ̀tọ̀ ni bọ̀tọ̀rí emergency yẹn a kọ lẹ́tà sí pé a ṣáà fẹ́ kó ṣe nǹkan kan sí ìsọ jẹ́ pé òun ni adájọ́ àkọ́kọ́ olórí àwọn adájọ́ tó wà ní Ondo State pé ó gbúdọ̀ ṣe nǹkan kan a tún kọ lẹ́tà náà sí Attorney General pé òun náà gbúdọ̀ ṣe nǹkan kan so a kọ lẹ́tà níjẹta tó bá ti di 8 o'clock ní Monday kan láti máa wà ní ibẹ̀ yẹn whatever tó bá wọn kó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ kò tún sí pé torí èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn kan mo ní ìgbàgbọ́ gidi gan lórí gbogbo nǹkan tá a ṣe ní àná yẹn ìgbàgbọ́ mi kọjá assurance tó fún mi jọ́n bá fún mi ní assurance yẹn mo sì believe pé ó gbọ́dọ̀ jáde ní Monday gbọ́dọ̀ máa jáde wọ́n lè tún fún assurance àjọ gbogbo ohun tájọ ṣe tèmi rí mo ti mọ̀ pé lágbára Ọlọ́run á ṣe é ṣe fún wa ní Monday yẹn kó lè lọlé torí àfẹ́ kó pé ọjọ́ méje ń bẹ̀ yẹn àfẹ́ kó pé ọjọ́ méje ọmọ yẹn ò ṣẹ̀